Harbor Freight just released some new Dollar Days coupons. I'm going to go over the coupons they just released, and it's going to be good until April 22nd. So you do have a couple weeks to get them. The first deal is going to be on the battery terminal cleaners. So you're able to clean the post on your car batteries. And right now they are priced at $4, but you can save 74% on that, making it $1. Yeah, it's a limit of 4. It has a brush to be able to clean the inside of the terminal, and then the outer post brush to clean the exterior of a terminal post. So I think it's a pretty good deal for only $1. And they brought back a deal on the Pittsburgh 4-piece mini pick and hook set. It's a precision multi-use pick set for removing O-rings, gaskets, and debris from tight spaces. I've seen people be creative of making their own tools out of these items, and it's normally priced at $2. And you guessed it, you can get it for $1, saving 49% and a limit of 4. And they have pretty good savings on the Pittsburgh disc brake pad piston compressor. It's heavy duty, durable construction. Compresses piston into the caliper, has the plate and then the threaded end to be able to reset the pistons. It's normally priced at $11, and you can pick it up for $6, which is saving 45% on it, and it's a limit of 4. And next up is the Storehouse cotter pin assortment. It's the 555-piece assortment, and it comes in these different sizes and different numbers of each. And this is normally priced at $5.49, and you can save 27% on that, making it $4. And if you're in need of some 6-inch hook and loop sanding discs, they have the ones by Bauer. They're normally priced at $7. You'll be able to save 22% on that, making it $5. And it's available in the grits from going from 80, 120, 150, 180, 220, 320, 400, 600, 800, and 1,000 grit. So they have quite the assortment of different grits and the 6-inch size discs. And with that coupon, it's a limit of 4. And next up is the HFT brand 3/4 inch by 8.5 feet of the double-sided mounting tape. That's priced at $3. And you can save 66% on that, making it $1, and it's a limit of 4. And next up is a deal on the Warrior multi-blade set. It's a 3-piece set that'd be good for scraping and cutting. So it has the round 3.5 inch half moon cutting blade, it has the 1 3/8 plunge flush cutting blade, and then it has a scraping blade. It says you can scrape adhesive, caulk, paint, and then cutting would be for plastic and wood. That's normally priced at $10, and you'll be able to save 39% on that, making it $6. And again, it's a limit of 4. The next deal is going to be on the Western Safety face shield with the flip-up visor to it. And it looks like it does seal off towards the top of the head, and it has like a foam padding to it, and that's priced at $5. And you'll be able to save 19% on that, making it $4. And the next deal is going to be on the Storehouse brand of the 100-piece of the 8-inch black cable zip ties. That's normally priced at $2.68. Be able to save only 19% on that, making it $2. Next up is a deal on the 200 lumen LED super bright flip light. It's like a light switch that produces a light. You can mount it anywhere you need a light. You just have to maintain batteries in it. That's priced at $3. And you can save 33% on that, making it $2. And the next deal is going to be on this Gordon Snap Blade utility knife. As an ergonomic rubberized hand grip, 2 CSU spare blades stored in the knife handle. It has a blade lock feature. It's made of a heavy duty construction, and that's priced at $2.29. And you'll be able to save only 12% on that, making it $2. And they have another Gordon utility knife option to consider. It has a 9-position retractable blade, solid die cast construction, conveniently store extra blades in the handle. It comes with 2 blades. That's priced at $2.49. And you'll be able to save 19% on that, making it only $2. And it's a limit of 4. And the next deal is going to be on the 12-inch Pittsburgh gooseneck wrecking bar. It's their smallest one that they offer. Comes with a lifetime warranty, just like the other Pittsburgh items do. Has a nice pry bar into it. And then the gooseneck with a nail puller. That's priced normally at $4. And you can save 49% on that, making it only $2. And if you're getting any value from this video so far, I'd really appreciate it. You do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos that I do, and help the channel reach the goal of the 50,000 subscriber goal that I have. And as soon as we reach that goal, I'm going to be giving away 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So help me get to that 50,000 subscriber mark. We're now just less than 4,000 subscribers to go. So we're approaching that 50K, and I really do appreciate that support. And let me show you the next deal. And next up is a 4-piece magnetic hook set. It's useful for any household, shop, or workspace. You can attach it to appliances, cabinets, or any other metal surface. heavy duty magnets on the bottom there of the hooks, and they're priced at $5. And you'll be able to save 39% on that, making it $3, and it's limited 4. And the next deal is going to be on the Chicago Electric 1/2 inch by 7 foot protective wire wrap. That's priced at $4 normally, and you'll be able to save 14% on that, making it $3, and it's limited 4. If you happen to be going to the store during the parking lot sale, or the spring Black Friday sale, be sure to check your aisles where they might have the additional signs on items that were on clearance. So they have some pretty decent deals on some Ames digital multimeters. So anywhere from 33% off, 37% off, 12% off. The best savings they have on these is 40% off of the AC clamp meter. So some pretty good pricing there on these closeout deals. I've seen online that they're actually going to be coming out with some Doyle brand multimeters. So that's probably why they're getting rid of the Ames brand. And they have a good deal on the Quinn razor blades. It's a 10-piece set, single edge steel for the 10-pack of blades. That's normally priced at $2. And you can save 49% on that, making it $1. And it's limited 4. Excellent deal on that. And the next deal is going to be on this Merlin 1/4 inch steel industrial quick coupler set. It's a 5-piece set. It comes with the different fittings there. It's a nice assortment, and that's normally priced at $5. You'll be able to pick them up for $3, which is saving 39%. And again, limited 4. The next deal is going to be on the Avanti 3-piece painting set. It's a foam roller. It's a 1/2 inch thick foam, and it has a 4-inch mini roller frame and the 4-inch paint tray. That's normally priced at $4, and you'll be able to pick it up for $3, saving 24%, and again, a limit of 4. I almost didn't find this next item. It's hard to find with being camouflage. It's the 5 mil thick camo tarp. That's 9'4" by 11'4", and that is normally priced at $13, and you can save 30% on that, making it $9. And again, limit of 4. And they had a deal last time around. I think it was on the smaller tarp, the 5'6" by 7'6". So if you needed a larger size, then now's the time to get that. And next up is a deal on the Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with a steel hub. It has a 220-pound working load. It comes with a 5/8 axle bore, and it's an 1.5 inch axle width. And the tread width on them is 2.5 inches wide. So something like this would be good for like hand trucks, especially to be flat free tires. That'd be a good upgrade for ones that take air. And these are normally priced at $10 each, and you can save 39% on that, making it $6. And it's a limit of 4. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 7-inch wire stripper and cutters. These are the most basic wire strippers you can go with. It does quickly strip from 10 to 20 AWG wire, and it shears popular 832 and 1032 gauge copper screws. It has a comfortable vinyl grip. Also comes with that lifetime warranty, and it's only priced at $6. And how about saving 49% on that, making only $3? That's an excellent deal on them. And the next deal is going to be on this Pittsburgh 1/2 inch dry 4-piece impact extension set. It comes with 1 3/4, 2.5, 4 1/4, and 9 1/4 inch extensions that are impact rated. And that's priced at $12. And you'll be able to pick them up for only $8, which is saving 33%, and it's a limit of 4. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 3-jaw universal oil filter wrench. You can use on all spin-on oil filters. You can use it from 2 2/5 of an inch up to 4 9/10 of an inch. That's normally priced at $12. And how about saving 41% on that, making only $7? And again, a limit of 4. And it does include this adapter too, so you can put it in the tool itself. It says adapter included for 3/8 or 1/2 inch drive. And it's heat treated carbon steel construction with a durable chrome plated finish. And these are the instructions on how it can be used with a ratchet to be able to loosen up oil filters. And the last dollar days item is going to be on this US General 18-inch by 72-inch non-slip solid drawer liner. So you can trim it to fit the design for your toolbox. So you can line your toolbox drawers. You can also line shelves or truck boxes or any place you want a non-slip surface. So this normally retails at $8, and you can save 37% on that, making it $5. I have some liner. It's a different brand, and I'll tell you about a hack that I use it for. I have a section that fits on top of my cooler that I keep in my truck for when I make Costco runs. I put a piece of the liner on top of the cooler so I can put other items on top of it and it won't slide off when I'm driving. So it's a good hack to try out. I also keep a section of it in the back of my truck too, because I have that decked system that's like a plastic top and things have a tendency of sliding around. So I have a section of that in the back to prevent that from happening. And that works pretty good. So definitely different uses from what it's made for. And with the additional uses, it might be worth the pickup for only $5. Pretty good deal to save that 37% on it. All right, so that's going to be all the Dollar Days coupons that they released. And if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos and help my channel get to the 50,000 subscriber goal so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 kits. I really do appreciate that support, and I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.